Welcome back to Nerd Out. We have an order for our friend David GT over on the YouTube side. It is a little bit of Blizzard's Legacy Collection, Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, and Marvel Studios' What If. What would you like to start with, Dave? Do you want to start with the What If, the Doctor Strange, or the Blizzard? And what order would you like to go in? Start with Blizzard. Okay. Will do. Good luck. Oh, it's been a while since I've opened some Blizzard. Yep, those are the last boxes I remember opening were the ones for Max. We got some cool stuff, just not the stuff you were looking for. I missed the garbage can with that. Well, let's see if we can change that today. See a little StarCraft. Mecha. Starseeker. Leia. On the silver. Let me know, what is the rarity hierarchy in this one? I forget. It's been a bit. Got Diva. Oh my God. So many people cosplayed as Diva when this game first came out. Nobody cosplayed as the suit, but everyone cosplayed as her. No one was ever the mech. Diva on the... This is a uncommon. Silver. Deckard Cain from Diablo. From... Oh yeah, the Fennec from StarCraft. Heroes of the Storm. Doomfist from Overwatch. Ooh, we got a little puzzle piece. Make the cube. Lilith. Rare from Diablo. Vala. It's a cool art from Diablo. And Butcher from Diablo. All right, we're getting some Diablo art. Yeah, it's a nice Lilith. I like the Lilith. All right, we got a door.
It's like a pub table.
Do you want these? Do you want this kept sealed or you want this opened? And we got a gnome from Blizzard, or from Diablo, not Blizzard. Do you want the doors or the the enchantment, the Innkeeper's Collection opened, or do you want it to remain closed? Rip it? All right. Oh no. There we go. Here we go. Cutthroat, Buccaneer. These are textured. These are cool. Shark fin fan and salted Thrashadow. Blue, and blue. Interesting. Ah, Hearthstone. Okay. Like, why does this look familiar? Heroes of the Stone. Ooh, war bands. Or war banners for the Zerg. I believe this is from StarCraft, yeah. It's like a piece of fabric. This is pretty cool. And to 99, we got Earth Lightbringer from World of Warcraft. And from Diablo, that's really cool. So that's really cool. So yeah, we got numbered card already, so that's pretty cool. I think that's the first number I've seen out of Blizzard. Hearthstone. StarCraft, the Marine. Overwatch. Another puzzle piece for a box from StarCraft. And from Diablo, we got the Dark Wanderer. Oh, sweet. Lenticular emotes. Dances. Woohoo. Deathwing. Bastion. Ah, the Lost Vikings. Ah, the old days. Ooh, BlizzCon. BlizzCon 2005 was attended by approximately 8,000 people. And the first expansion of World of Warcraft was announced, the Burning Crusade. So that's fun. Rock and roll racing. The Angel Trail. The Stalker. It's the rare. Yeah, right? It's like, oh man, I haven't seen that game in forever. Oh man, I don't even remember what system it ran on back then. Like, I know it was PC, but like I don't remember like what the system requirement. Oh, Diablo. Speaking of Diablo, you have Diablo. But I just remember old computer, like, you know, it is now safe to turn off your computer. Like that level of like computer. Maybe? I don't know if it was on a console or not. I just remember it being on PC. But it could have been on console. It could have been Master Drive or Mega Drive or Black Throne. Got Mercy. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. I love this art. Because like I remember playing on PC Last Viking, so like that's why I remember for that. It was just an old computer. Yeah. That's pretty cool. We got another banner. We have another war banner. The Terran. So Earthlings. That's cool. Got Jane. Got on the Spectral. The Spectral's really cool. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. And the silver. It's like textured. That's cool. And from Mephisto. Diva. It's rare. Thrall. on the, I would say, is it a magazine cover or would it be the, like box art? Hatch notes. Warcraft, Orcs and Humans takes place back in the original battle. Takes place back to the original battle for Azeroth. Challenging players to pick a side and raise an army for humans or orcs capable of bringing ruin to their enemies. From PC, probably PC game from 1994, November 23rd. That's cool. Patch notes, yeah. Oh yeah, right there, yeah, patch notes. Big card. Summary. This is a cool card. Nope, that won't fit. That's hard to pull. Well, we got one. Where do you find that out, Kid Lee? We got PN1 in the top. Because I don't know. See, I don't know what the Kid Lee, if you know how to tell, give me a heads up. Because I don't on this. I don't know if the patch notes would be 1.0, 2.0, or 3.0. Back of the gray bar. Like this? It just says Blizzard Legendary Collection. That doesn't help me. Or Legacy Collection. Oh no. There's nothing on the bar. So we don't know. The search continues. You have to do, maybe you have to do a little bit of research on that one. The Lost Vikings. Dun, 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 dun. Does it say when this game came out? No, it doesn't. Darn. I wanted to know because I'm like, I have memories of it, but I don't remember when. Thrall is the rare. Adept. We have another Innkeeper collection. Would you like this one ripped? Just let me know if you like it ripped as well. That's fun. Oh, sorry, my guy. You could have put a snowball in the freezer and then just hit somebody with it in like a couple days when they're not expecting it.
Maybe Michael would. Are you willing to be John's date for the fine dining lunch tomorrow?
What? What are we doing?
The fine dining. John has to pay off his challenge. He has to eat.
Oh, I didn't know that was.
A concoction.
Oh my God.
Pastaroni, fettuccine alfredo, and baked beans.
Well, I don't want to eat it.
No. You just have to sit there and look pretty and be his table mate.
I don't know.
Think about it.
I'll think about it. Fornex. Cryomancer. That's fun. All right, last pack of Blizzard, and then we will get into the other ones. We'll get into some Marvel. Soldier 76. That's really cool from Diablo. From what everyone was saying in the chat, this is a pretty good box. Patch notes I've never seen before, so that's really cool. All right, what if for Doctor Strange? Or Dealer's Choice? I'm gonna need a bigger box. Multiverse, all right. I know, like, this movie didn't get a ton of love, but I love this movie. I like it. Multiverse of Madness, heck yeah. The idea is cool, but like, I also understand that they probably could have resolved this movie in like the first 15 minutes. Like, hey Wanda, help me train her, and then we'll take you where you want to go. That could have solved it. But I know no one's thinking in their that would make it hard, yeah. David, yeah, that your boss looks exactly like her. Yeah, yeah. Good luck. Chelsea would never hurt you. It's Wanda. It's Scarlet Witch, because she was awesome as Scarlet Witch. Woman. On the red, we need your help. Let's say like right here. This whole. We're like, hey, do you want to atone? Like, yeah, just help me train her, and between the two of us, we should be able to get her powers under control. And then we could take you to a universe where you died, but the kids lived. Don't get the girl. I'm sorry, Steven. Can't be you. Who said they had to be living? The Book of Vishtai. You couldn't portal us up there? got this. We have to go now. Did you blow it with your Christie? I'm not a monster, Steven. Captain Marvel versus the Scarlet Witch. Doctor Strange. Do I know you? Doctor Strange possesses the Darkhold. You're now called before the Illuminati. America's allies. Top secret. That's cool. Doctor Strange. Give you information on Doctor Strange. I shall miss you, my friend. Captain Marvel. Incursions. Don't speak of me of sacrifice. The Ultron bot. Reality collapses in on itself. The cause of the incursion. It's a throne. Savage lands. Benedict Wong as Wong. I'll give you what you want. Forbidden Grounds. American Chavez. Pure madness. Need your help. Top secret. Turn to the door. Captain Carter. Do this all day and then realize she could not. It's on the on the plastic on the acetate. Strange. Extracting America's power. Throw into the multiverse. Ooh, on the blue. Darkhold extracts this heavy toll to 199. Sweet, we got a numbered card. Yeah, it's like I like the film. Many people didn't. They could have done more with it, like because there's so much you could do with, like, you know, literally the multiverse of madness kind of thing. And everyone was originally talking like, oh, it's gonna be the first horror movie theme, and like there was definitely some horror themed parts, like when, well, I don't want to spoil it for anyone that hasn't seen it, but apparently they had to tone it down from what he originally was wanting to do with it, like how far he wanted to take it. But I'm glad I fell into your universe. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I had fun. One of 838. There we go. Sweet. 'Tis what was a dream. Singular Strange. Right? Yeah, because you just kind of like, it assumes that you've seen it. And I think that's the problem. A lot of people didn't watch WandaVision and then went into it and went, wait, what? Why is she like this? Why? Because they like make a passing reference to it. And then all of a sudden she's the Scarlet Witch. And you're like, wait, how do we get here? Because originally when they were doing all the TV shows, they said like, oh, they're not going to link into the movies, so you don't need to watch. Because that was the thing, like, oh, now we have to watch all the shows as well as the movies. And that's part of the problem, is they're like originally like, no, because, and originally they were like Captain Carter and stuff like that. Like that was its own little thing. Like you didn't have to watch those to understand what was going on with the MCU. Now you do. And even when they were making those, like saying like, oh no, you don't need to watch these to understand the MCU going forward, but you do. It was like you could watch the movie out, but it made a lot more sense. I warned you. All right, now on to what if. We got Party Thor. We got Superheroes Nick Fury. What if Captain America were... What if Captain Carter was the first Avenger? All right.
I didn't do anything.
The Watcher broke his oath. What if Ultron won?
Huh? What? You using phone a friend? I'll send Jacob.
Yondu on
Just
the
yell,
clear
just
cut.
let me know.
Captain Carter on the clear cut. The Collector. New season of What If tomorrow. Cool. I haven't seen the new season either. Doctor Strange Supreme. More clear cut. The Wasp. What If Zombies. Frost Giant Loki. Oh, that's cool. Wee pew pew. The Wasp.
Jake.
Scott Lang. Clear cut. What if Ultron won?
I'm not gonna. You'll help.
Vision. Peggy Carter. Howard Stark. To 888, we have Killmonger's military special ops. What if Killmonger rescued Tony Stark? Ultron on the clear cut. To 199, we got the Black Diamond Black Widow. This is 128 out of 199. That's a really cool Black Widow card. Doctor Strange on the acetate originals. Captain Carter. Or no, wait, no, that's Black Widow with the shield. Thor. Yeah. Collector. Ancient One. Post-apocalyptic Black Widow. Boss Giant. I have no idea. Eggs. I honestly don't. To 688. We got Frost Giant Loki to 688. We got Zombie Wanda. We have 3 packs, including this one. Let's go. Let's hit another numbered. Gamora. Thanos. What if gives you so many options? Like you could do so much. Like it's the question everybody asks. What if blah 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 blah. So it's a great. You could have like literally unlimited seasons. Infinity Ultron. Watcher.
What are we doing, Doc?
That's cool. Clear cut. Thanos. So that was fun. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, DavidGT. Hope that was fun for you. It was definitely fun for me. I think we got a lot of cool stuff. Thanks for the order. We really, really appreciate it. And thanks for giving me the opportunity to break it for you.